In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Roblox to Discord status. Before we get started with the video, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Discord app on your desktop. This feature is only available for the desktop version of Discord. And here, make sure you're signed in to your Discord account. Now go ahead and head over to the user settings by clicking on the settings icon, which you'll find beside the headphones icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. So just go ahead and click on user settings, and on user settings, go ahead and scroll down in the left side of your screen. And here, go ahead and head over to activity privacy. Now enable share your detected activity with others and head over to the registered games section. Under the registered games section, you'll be able to find all of the games that you've registered as detectable on Discord that are games that are available on your desktop. So if you want to add Roblox, just go ahead and click on the add it button and enter Roblox in this section. So as you can see in here, I won't be able to add it since I don't have the app installed on my desktop. Once you have added Roblox in this section, just go ahead and click on the eye icon. When the eye icon is on, you'll be able to find the eye with a green background, while if it's off, you'll be able to find it on a red background. Clicking on the eye icon will allow you to share your activity, such as your Roblox gameplay on Discord. So make sure that you have it turned on whenever you play Roblox. And that's how you can simply add Roblox to Discord status.